up here in our boom lift. We got our specially made pallet right here for installation. We got our balcony sitting up top above it here. We're gonna be sliding our balcony onto our ledger brackets, and then we're gonna make sure we're even side to side, spaced out nicely. My name's Adam. I work for Vestis Manufacturing. I'm the install manager, so we install these balconies that are right back behind me here. We're gonna be putting up 32 balconies, put up 16 so far. All right, so we're out here on our standard aluminum balcony. We got our railing over here, can come in different colors, whichever you prefer. We have our picket style going on right now. We offer our glass as well as mesh, different styles there depending on your building and your building needs. We have our knife plates right here. The earlier we come in and install these, the better. That way you can make sure they're nice and watertight. We got our tie rods right here, and then we have our ledger brackets up above us or below what we're standing on here as well. Our decking is a self-draining decking, come in multiple different colors and lots of customizations. These are really easy to install with our ledger brackets and pre-installed knife plates. All our product is made with aluminum, and it makes it super lightweight, easy to install. 2-3 man crew can install this within an hour.